Hello everyone and welcome to another random recording. And in this recording I wanted to help you out with learning how to change the parameters of your computer settings when it comes to AMD, where you can open up a window or the program into the right size. So if I click this one, see how small the text is and see how abnormally big this screen is. Um, we don't want this to happen every time we open up our program on a high definition monitor. So what we can do is go here, go to compatibility, change DPI, override it. And I know right now you're thinking, yeah, that's all we want to do is like we want to just override it and have it show bigger. But as you can see, it's overwritten. It's showing in the middle of the screen now. However, it is still too small. It's been overwritten and showing the proper size. It's not extremely big font like it was earlier, but it's showing the right size. But it's not scaled properly. So what you want to do is you want to go back into properties, DPI, and go to system settings. So I haven't tested out system advanced, but system settings seems to work for me. If things don't work with you, test out system advanced. So put it on system and apply, and then click it. See, now it's nice and large, and it's opening to the right scaling. I hope this helped people. I'll be posting this on my Patreon first, and the people who get access to it will know how to do this first. Now, I do want to keep in mind that the properties of the windows and everything might not always work for some of the other portions of the engine, but uh, so I hope this helped, and I'll catch you guys next time. And I hope you support the channel or my Patreon. And thank you so much for those who do. And I'll catch you guys in the next video of whatever I make. Until then, I'll catch you later. Matane, Jaina.